Hi everyone, I'm Kate McCauley from Pattern Emporium. Welcome to another episode of What's in the Pattern. This week we are talking about the Own Your Magic dress. This is a fitted dress that prioritizes comfort by gently skimming your curves instead of tightly holding them in. Now, if you've never watched one of our videos before, I sew a whole bunch of samples of the pattern that we're just about to release to show you what's in the pattern. In this video, I will also show you some of our team's dresses so you can see different sizes and different fabrics. Now, this dress has a whole bunch of necklines, sleeves, lengths, but the main features are the bound neckline, so it is a wide binding, and these side splits. There are 3 rounded necklines. You can sew a crew neck, this one, a mid neckline, or the lower scoop neckline. We also have 2 v-necks. Now those are banded. Then we have our 2 turtlenecks. There is a shaped turtleneck that sits up quite high. That is not tight. Then there is the most adorable little mini mock turtleneck. So it's a mock turtleneck. It's a mini version that sits up a little bit on your neck and sits a little bit out. Again, it is not tight. Next, the sleeves. We have a long sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve, and they are our slimline fitted sleeve. And then we have an easy fit short and an easy fit cap sleeve. We have 4 lengths. Now, obviously these are going to differ depending on your height. And in the tutorial, I show you how you can lengthen, you can shorten, if you want to raise the split or lower the split. All those instructions are in the tutorial. So we have 4 lengths. We have around about a knee length, so slightly above, might be right on your knee. Then we have a below the knee. We have a midi length, and then we have a long. So the long isn't to the floor. Again, it's going to depend on your height, of course. It is just long, and I have one of those to show you. And lastly, there is the optional sash, and I will show you one of those in a sec. One of the beautiful things about our patterns is that you can mix and mash different patterns. So if you wanted to add a bishop sleeve or a flounce sleeve or the puff sleeve, you can do that too, just by using those different patterns. You don't need to make any other changes. In the tutorial, in the Get Creative section, you will see a whole bunch of ideas. There is a seam along the waist at the back, and that just helps you to accommodate that curve through your back. And if you need a sway back adjustment, it is so easy to do that through that seam. And again, that is in the adjustment section. We also have, if you need a full bust adjustment, if you need a sleeve bicep or a sleeve width adjustment, again, they are in the adjustment section. And we have a whole bunch of frequently asked questions to help you along your way. If you have hip dip like me, which is where you kind of go in and then out just here on your thigh, again, we have an adjustment for that. There's the multi-size adjustment and the curve adjustment. They are similar, but have a read of those if you are, like me, made up of all different sizes, because it is very, very easy to multi-size to get the right fit for you. And of course, you can print at home, you can print at the copy shop, or you can utilize the projector file. All of our projector files have large font, the full pattern piece, and thick lines. And if you have never printed a digital pattern before, please pop into the group and ask us. We are only too happy to guide you. It is not hard at all, and it is an awesome skill to learn because you can buy and download and print and sew immediately. No waiting for your pattern to arrive in the mail. All right, let's take a look at my dresses, and then we will take a look at our team's dresses. Let's start with the crew neck. So this is the crew neckline, and you can see my wide binding. This is in a double brush poly from Lush. I think double brush poly might actually be my favorite fabric in this dress. It is just so easy to wear. It has that softness that is just so light on your body. I don't like anything tight or restrictive on my body, so double brush poly is a perfect fabric for this dress. I have done the 3/4 sleeve. I have done the midi length. The reconnect cardie is a really slimline cardie that you could add. It is a little, oh no, I did the midi version. So it sits perfectly, and this is this gorgeous wool I bought from To Sushi, I think. Have a look. Can you see that pattern on it? Absolutely love it. So this is the reconnect cardie in one of the longer lengths. It has a patch pocket. I was too lazy to put buttons. Really, really easy to make, really versatile pattern. Now, if you wanted something a little bit more casual to bring the vibe, the tone down a little bit, you could try the grab a cuppa cardie. I'm not sure if this is going to go. The greens match, and it just tones it down. It's just easy fitting, has this lovely loose sleeve. And this would actually look better if I had one in the cropped version. I think that would look awesome. But this one is the hip length version. I can't remember what I've called it, but a really nice casual addition. Next we have the mid neckline. So it sits a lot lower than the crew. I've done this in a rib knit, and for a rib knit I recommend shortening the length of the neckband because it can sit quite loosely. I have used this very beautiful fine wool knit from the fabric store. It is very, very stretchy. Now I've done the long sleeve, and again the mid neckline, and then I've done the midi length, gorgeously understated and simple. Now you can see how loosely this one fits on my body because this fabric has so much stretch. So if you want to slim it in a little bit, that is fine. This is the aesthetic that I like, where it's just a little bit loose through my body. So let's have a look at some things that might team with this. So again, this is the reconnect cardie. This is the one with the gorgeous little ruffle or frill at the hemline. Again in wool, again from the fabric store. Just a beautiful quality. Love that. It is just so simple and understated, and you know it looks good. You can just throw it on, whether you want some little shoes or a pair of boots. Absolutely love this. Or if you want to be a little bit more flamboyant, how about you go for a print? This is the Songbird. You can make it in woven or in stretch, and it is more easy fitting. So you can see here the sleeves are wider. This would look really cute with elastic in the sleeves actually. Just a really light elastic to bring it in a little bit. This is the longer length, and you can see it's just easy, lovely to wear. This is a rayon I bought years ago, but I get a lot of wear out of this one. Then if you wanted to go understated, you'd probably live in Melbourne. Again, the reconnect, again in wool. Lovely, understated. Just easy and stylish. Let's take a look with the Smitten jacket. So the Smitten is our jean style jacket. Which one? Let's try it with this one. So I actually made this one out of boo spandex. So it's actually made out of knit, even though the pattern is for woven. It's an awesome knit with heaps of body that you can actually do something like that. How cute is that? That is adorable. It just finishes it off. That is so sweet. Next, we have the scoop neck in this gorgeously relaxed, colourful summer vibe. So we have a quite low scoop neck. This is in a poly knit. We have the little short sleeve, and I've added the sash on this one, and I've done this in the long length. So this is the longest length, so down around the ankle, again, depending on your height. Split. It's just lovely, easy, breezy. You could wear this during the day, you could go out for dinner at night. Easy, relaxed vibe. And if you're making a summer one and you don't want to use a poly knit, because poly knit sometimes it can be a little warm depending on your environment, go for, say, a bamboo or a rayon or a modal. It'll just give that easy, relaxed vibe. This fabric is a poly knit from Russell's on the Sunshine Coast. Now, I'm not sure if I have anything that would go with this. Maybe. Might be a little too much, but you could choose any of those colors. Make a little cropped jacket maybe. That would look really cute. So let's try a smitten jacket. Pink doesn't always show up very well on video. It's loud, it is very cute. Isn't that sleeve adorable? Let's try white. I do like the white. And it's just relaxed and easy, has that gorgeous sleeve. This is the cropped length. I think it's called the super cropped or the very cropped length. So it sits right at your waist. And so you can keep that lovely curved shape that you have. Let's take a look at the turtleneck. So this is the dress. Can you see the shine? This is the mini mock turtleneck. Now, like the turtleneck, it is shaped and it is super adorable. Now, with this one, when I made this, the neckline actually flopped because this fabric is so floppy. So have a look. So what I ended up doing was unpicking, and then see on the inside here, there is a rib fabric. It's not a true rib. It's a little bit like a jacquard, I guess. It has more structure than a rib, and so it is holding my neckline up. So the fabric that you use is going to impact your neckline and how it sits. So keep that in mind, and keep in mind that solution. The sleeve is the Easy Fit cap sleeve, but I've taken a 2.5 centimeter, so 1 inch hemline instead of 1.5. So just a little bit more, just so that it kind of sits shorter and up a little bit more. And then this is the below the knee length. And I love it, sits on my body beautifully. Let's take a look at some of the garments that our team have sewn. They come in all different sizes and fabrics, and of course style aesthetics. Melanie has added the scoop neckline and the short sleeve in her size 20-24 blend. It is the midi length, to which she's added 5 centimeters, and it's in a rib knit from Lush. For her next one, she's wearing it with the Grab a Cuppa cardi. It is the low V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. Again, the size 20-24 blend, viscose elastane, and it is the tall length plus 5 centimeters. Sophie has made a size 14 scoop neck, cap sleeves, midi length, and she has used a viscose jersey and added the sash. Amanda has made a size 8, 3/4 sleeves, above the knee length in a poly jersey. And she has added the adorable mini mock turtleneck. Talia has made the full turtleneck, size 8, 3/4 sleeves, midi length, inner rib sweater knit from Lush. Marie Eve has made a size 16, used the scoop neck, cap sleeves, above the knee length and in cotton lycra. Jodie has used ITY for her long length dress, the crew neckline and the cap sleeve, and it is a size 8-12 blend. For the next one you're about to see, Jodie actually did a pattern mash. She used the True Romance pattern to add this gorgeous sleeve. Her neckline is the turtleneck. Maureen has made a size 18-22 blend, mid neckline, cap sleeve in the above knee length. She has used a French terry for hers. Merida's first one is a 10-12-14 blend, mid neckline, short sleeves, midi length in poly spandex. And then for her next one, she has done the same thing, 10-12-14 blend, mid neck, short sleeves, long length, and in a rayon spandex from Spotlight this time. Anique has sewn the V-neck in a size 8. She has mashed it with the True Romance pattern to get this gorgeous lace sleeve. For her next one, she's sewn a size 8 with a scoop neck, cap sleeve, long length in cotton lycra. Andrea has sewn a size 12, the scoop neck and the cap sleeve. She's cut it in the above the knee length in a poly knit with double brush poly binding. Nicole has made a 12-14-16 blend, mid neckline, short sleeve, long length in a bamboo spandex. Tamsin has made a size 14 with the scoop neckline, long sleeve, midi length in cotton lycra, and she's added the sash. Hannah has made a size 20. She's used the mid neckline, added the short sleeve, cut it in the midi length, and it's in cotton lycra. Her next one, again in cotton lycra, mid neck, short sleeve in the midi length. I love the combo. Sandra has made a size 10, mid neck, short sleeve in the midi length, and it's made from cotton lycra. Katie has made a size 12-14 blend with the low V-neck, short sleeve in the midi length. She has used a modal spandex from Millie May. And lastly is the gorgeous Suzanne. She has made a size 10-12 with the low V-neck, the short sleeve, the above knee length, and she's used a bamboo French terry. Now, don't forget, during our pattern release period, you get a discount on our newly released patterns. So go over and check that out on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the group.